Hello students, welcome to Nilagiri Degree and PG College YouTube channel. In previous video, we have discussed about the stack ADT. So what is stack? What are the primitive operations? How to represent a stack using arrays? And also see how to write a C++ program to perform the operations on stack using arrays. Now we will discuss what are the applications of stack. In most programmatically, where we use the applications of the stack concept. What is the stack concept? What is the stack concept? Mostly lost in first come. The concept of stack is lost in first come. Remember, in most of the some competitive examinations in the field of computer science, they used to ask the stack is a dash structure, LIPO structure, or PIPO structure. We are given choice as a LIPO data structure, lost in first come structure. So generally, the concept of lost in first come structure, data structure, is used in a concept of processing function calls. Processing function calls. Processing function calls means, so for example, there is a function, main function. Here have two more functions, a, b, c and x, y, z. So these are Cout main, Cout ABC, Cout x, y, z. So for example, this is not a single program. Within the main function, I invoked ABC function before the Cout statement. Whenever I execute a program, first the main function is invoked. Within the main function, there is a function calling statement ABC. Automatically, the call jumps to ABC. But there is another function calling statement xyz. Now again the function call jumps to xyz. In the function xyz, there is an output statement xyz. Now we will display the output xyz. After execution of the xyz function calling, after completion of this one, the program executor, the program control, go back to its column. Who call xyz function? ABC invoke xyz function. The program control again go back to here. After xyz statement, function call statement, there is another statement Cout ABC. So it will print ABC. Now the ABC function totally executed. Now the program control go back to main function. After ABC function call, what is the statement is there? Main. Here this is the first output, this is the second output, this is the third output. Here actually the main function is first invoked. The main function is first invoked. ABC function second invoked. XYZ function thirdly invoked. But XYZ function execution completed first. After that, ABC function executed. After that one, the main function is executed. That means functions are processed in the reverse order. The functions are processed lastly started, completed first. So here xyz function processing started last but completed first. XYZ function processing started last but XYZ processing function execution completed first. The main function executed execution process starting first but completed last. So that is the last in first out topic. This is the function processing of function calls. So in the processing of several function calls also involves the concept of last in first out data structure. Processing of various function calls involves last in first out data structure. The second one is, the second application of the stack is reversing a string. So generally in C language and in C++, we have seen several predefined functions to reverse the string. But by using a concept of stack, we can reverse a string very easily. How? So the example, array string hello. This is a string hello. So simply I will take the first element from the stack h, that will be pushed into the stack. So the h will be at the last position. Again I will take the second element and I push into the stack. Again third element will be taken, I push into the stack. And fourth element will be taken and push into the stack. Again another element will be taken, last element, and will be pushed into the stack. And now performing the pop operation. After reaching the end of the string and performing the pop operation. When you perform the pop operation, which element will be removed first? O. Again if I perform the pop operation, will get N. Again I will perform the pop operation, will get L. Again I will perform the pop operation. Again I will perform the pop operation. Again I will perform the pop operation. Becomes stack is empty. Whenever the stack is empty, I have started the execution. The string is in the reverse order. So it is very easily you can make a string reverse by using the concept of last in first out data structure, that is a stack. That is also one of the application of the stack. Another one is converting infix expression to prefix and postfix expression. Converting infix expression to postfix expression. Here we should know three terminologies: infix, prefix, postfix. So generally expression means equations. For example, a plus b into c. A plus b into c. That is an expression. Here operators are the plus and asterisk. That is the into multiplication symbol. This is the addition, this is the multiplication operator. These are the operands. A, B, C are the operands. Operands plus asterisk are the operators. Are the operators. These two are the operators. If operators are between the operands, that is infix expression. Operators are A plus B. Operator is between the operands, that is infix. If operator is before operands, that is prefix. Operator is after operands, that is postfix. Here operator is middle, infix, before prefix, after postfix. If we give like this any expression, that will be easily converted to like this, infix or prefix or postfix. So that can be done with the concept of stack. So there is a large topic. This is a separate topic is there in our syllabus, but I will deal about this topic in our regular class. Next one is evaluation of postfix expression. Here also we use a concept of stack, starting, lasting, first, and a concept of recursion will use another last in first or first. So in first year in functions topic, there is a concept of recursive function. In the C++ also there is a concept of recursive function. So the recursion can be deal with the concept of last in first or last structure. So our stack is using the recursion. You will see a separate chapter in the second unit. First chapter is there is a separate chapter. So next another application is parenthesis conforming, parenthesis are there, some are validating the parenthesis. So for example, whatever these are the parentheses, for example there are the two opening braces, similarly there must be two closing parentheses in the equation. Any equation, whatever the number of opening braces, opening brackets and closing brackets must be same. So that can be validated with the concept of last in first, so that it cannot be required. So mostly, so these are the mostly we use the in real time programmatical way, last in first or stack. So these are the applications of the stack. So in the next we will go to the third area, second area, first. So this is about the stack. So this is about the stack. These are the applications. You have to type everyone applications. First, list out of the applications and processing the function calls, reverse suggesting. So these three will be given in the material, and go through the material and read that material. If you have any doubts, post in the WhatsApp group. So this is about the stack. So this is about the third chapter, second unit, first unit. So I am going into the next video. We'll go to the second unit, recursion topic will go. Okay, dear students, go to the syllabus, the notes material whatever given in the college WhatsApp group. Just read the material. If you have any doubts, post it. So try to write the notes in notebook. Then only will get the doubts. Whatever the videos posted in the YouTube channel, the material regarding to the video, prepare the notes. By seeing that material, just prepare your notes. You can understand the topic depthly. By watching and ignoring, you cannot understand anything. Watch the video and try to prepare the notes from that material. Then we will get clarity. So if you have any doubts, post in the WhatsApp. Okay, sir.